took them away from me. Life, oh life. You turned my happiness into sadness. You turned my joy into pain. You turn my memories into nightmares. Life, oh I am a daughter of my mother. Life, what have I done? You took everything, took them away from me. Life, oh
Stop crying.
Dead, why? What have my sister done wrong? Is she the only sinner in the world? Why this time?
You took them away from me.
Sister Betty.
Jimmy, it's not that you are in my house.
Sister Betty.
All is well.
All is well. We just thank God. How's everything with you this way?
Well, we thank God we are still alive. Since the death of my husband, I've been the one taking care of myself and my children.
I know.
And the only sister that I have, the call hand of death, took her away from me without saying goodbye.
It's okay.
It's okay. Dad.
It's okay.
Okay.
That is in the past now. Please, just put yourself together. Okay. My sister, the main reason I'm here today is because of Juliet.
I hope all is well.
It's not well at all. That's her condition now. So, my sister, please, since the death of her mother, things are not okay with her. I want to plead with you to please help me allow her in here to stay with you for a while.
Mother Jimmy.
We can both take care of her.
Mother Jimmy. How can you say Juliet should come and stay with me when you know I don't have a husband and I don't have money? How will I be able to take care of her?
I know of this, my sister. I will always come to assist you anytime I have money. I would have taken her to my house. You know the wife I married, how she behaves. That is just my problem.
That's your wife. She's very wicked.
Sister.
I don't know.
Not mention.
Lovette, you can go and carry her bag inside.
Thank you,
Mama. Lovette, take her inside.
Go and see.
I said, Juliet, welcome.
It's okay.
Life, have I done to you? Oh life, what have I done?
Alright, that's more. What's up?
You took everything.
Alright, no problem. Yeah, in the next 30 minutes, I should be at the office. No problem.
Babe?
Alright, I'll call you back. Alright, no problem. Yeah. Oh, sweetheart. How are you? You know what? You're the best thing that has ever happened to me.
Oh my goodness.
And I love you so much. Don't forget that.
Thank you, babe.
For the now, I need to head for work.
Yeah, your food is safe. Just come and eat before going to work.
You want this food or the thing?
Come and eat where and get long before.
Oh. And I know you prepare something delicious again today.
I don't like it.
Let's just hope so.
It's great food for a great thing. Yeah, you need water. You need water. Take.
You know what? Just taste what you gave me.
Babe, this one.
I said taste what you gave me.
I did it myself now. But this is so nice. Take. Let me feed you.
Stop it! What rubbish? I was even thinking the rubbish you prepared the last time was a mistake. And now it's so clear that you don't even know how to do anything.
Maybe I can explain. When I made this food, it was perfect. See, I'm sure it's my village people. They were told that I added extra salt and pepper. Baby, please.
You know what? I open my eyes, leave my house, go to your village people and explain to them.
Babe, where do you want me to go to? Baby, it hasn't gotten to this now. Baby, wait. It can easily be fixed, please.
Don't touch me.
Baby, you said you love me not quite so long now.
I said don't touch me.
Hey, my enemies have remembered my phone number. What will I do now? Babe, wait. Babe.
So that's more up for now.
I'm fine, bro.
How have you been?
Bless God, my brother.
It's really not been easy though.
Wow, I can see it in your face. It's
So I've been at home, chilling my head like I have a lot of things in my head.
I can see. So, what's up, Andrew? What's going on?
Nothing, man. I'm just thinking about my life.
Thinking about your life. Come on, man. You have everything. You have the cars, the jewelries, the money, the cars. What are you thinking about? Come on.
This month, you need to understand. You've mentioned absolutely everything, but you've not said what I want to hear, which is a wife. I need a wife.
What are you saying? What about Faith?
That's one. Look, Faith doesn't even know how to cook. But yesterday I realized she doesn't know how to do anything.
Seriously?
I was able to think maybe what she prepared the last time was a mistake, but yesterday I knew she doesn't know how to do anything.
You mean that fine girl? So where is she now?
Where's she for day? I threw her back to where she belongs, of course.
Really? You sent her packing?
Sure, of course.
Oh, my brother. As you see me, I don't do wife things or girlfriend thing. I prefer going local. You understand what I mean? The show of a thing.
Look, this month, I don't need Lolo show. All I need is a wife. A good one at that. You should know.
My brother, that's you. As for me, I go with my relationship.
I'll advise you to keep calm on those solo shows because they will get you into trouble.
You understand?
Make sure you watch this plate.
Okay, ma. I'll watch them when I'm done with mine.
Eh? Julie, what did you say? Are you mad? Are you with your right senses at all? You watch them when you are done. Who cook you to be done? Eh? Who cook clothes and start washing mine now.
Auntie, but mine is inside the water already.
Juliet, remove your clothes from the water and start washing mine. Hey, by the way, who give you the right to call me auntie? No more mama, no more mother, no mama. I am now auntie. You are what?
It's not what you think.
No. What do I think? Eh? What do I think? Juliet, what do I think? Eh? Make sure you wash my clothes now and be fast about it so that you go to the market and buy me food stuff. Idiot. Foolish girl, prostitute like you.
Madam, when you are done crying, look at my clothes. You wash them. And I'm going to use them today. Don't try me.
Madam, what did they do for you? Oga say me not come this compound again.
And who are you to ask me such stupid questions?
Oga say me not come the instruction wey he give me now.
I'm here to see my boyfriend, Andrew.
Samson!
Oga,
What's going on there?
na madam o.
And you, Faith, what are you doing in my house?
Babe, please just give me one last chance. Say it, please. Just another chance, please. Another chance.
Samson!
Just one more chance.
Take her out of my house.
Say avoid me. Don't touch me. Avoid me. My friend. Babe! Ah! Babe! Babe, I'm fucked!
Small job by the manage, want me to come sack me. See yes.
What?
Babe, I've been calling from afar. Sorry, pardon my manners. My name is Jerry. My friends do call me Jerry Wire.
Ha, are you an electrician?
Not at all. It's because I have money. I do wire money.
Okay.
So that's the reason my friends
I thought I was
call me Jerry Wire. Sorry. What is your name?
My name is One.
You said?
One.
Oh, Wawa.
No. One.
Oh, One.
Yeah.
Wow. It's a very lovely name for a beautiful dancer like you. I would like you and I to be friends.
We are friends now. That was the reason why you called me. Then I waited.
Not that kind of friend. I mean, I want you to be my girlfriend.
Your girlfriend? Is that how you behave? You just saw a girl on the road, walking on the road. You want her to be your girlfriend, just like that.
Babe, come on. I believe in love at first sight. Yeah?
Thank you. I see. You don't have anything else to say. I'm going.
Babe, calm down now. Babe. Okay, fine. Your number.
I don't have a phone.
Okay, next time. When next?
I don't know.
Damn it. All right, baby. All right.
Honey,
Yeah, then.
I'm thinking of traveling to Canada next tomorrow.
Okay.
I'm mixing you already.
And we are going to miss it. This time you are not going to stay long.
Dad. Get back.
Son, how are you?
For me?
Hi, son.
You sleep well?
Oh.
How was your day today?
It was great, Mom.
The strong wine, right?
Yeah. Wow.
You like it?
I love this, Mom.
Good. Very nice.
So you mean you're taking this thing?
Yeah, it's your dad's handwork. Your dad wanted me to be freshen up.
Yeah. Dad, as if it long you came.
About an hour ago.
Your car is not parked inside.
Where is the driver? Where's my driver?
No, but that's by the way.
Maybe he parked the car over there.
Alright, Mom.
Yes,
Dad,
son.
I have a good news for you.
Wow.
That's good. That's nice.
Dad, you know you've been telling me, son, settle down, get
Oh, yeah?
married, settle down, get married.
Yeah.
Finally, I've got to
What a good news. What a good news.
Thank God.
So tell me about it, son.
There's this pretty damsel I met earlier this morning.
Okay.
She's tall, dark in complexion.
Wow.
And she has this
Dread.
dread that,
Yeah.
and Mom, she has what you have.
That is my son.
Like your father.
That is that. That's that. And what is her name? She said her name is
One.
One, yes, Mom. So you know her, Mom.
Don't be so happy about that. Darling, the girl family is not good. Her
Really?
mother is very arrogant.
Son,
Is it the
You have
kind
what
of
your mom said.
woman you want to marry?
you have what your mom
So
said.
Dad, this is my happiness you are talking about here.
Who is talking about happiness here?
Dad,
Who's talking about happiness here?
Darling, calm down, please.
We are talking of futures that are talking about happiness.
Dad, future without happiness is a waste of effort.
Calm down.
Says who?
Dad, future
What are you prone to? What made like Google make go? What a nonsense!
Dad, you said to use your grandma again.
What my Google make again? What my? Back here, I'm talking. What's that for me?
Sorry. Calm down.
Can you imagine this nonsensical?
I'm sorry.
This meme.
I'm sorry. Just calm down.
What a nonsense!
Sorry.
I won't take this. I'm going to take in my own house.
I'm sorry.
In my own house.
Sorry. Just
You see what I've told your son to?
It's just...
My people, you are welcome.
Thank you very much.
You are welcome.
Thank you.
My boy.
Welcome.
You are welcome.
Thank you. Welcome, my dear. Welcome.
Welcome.
Yes, ma'am.
You said if you see the girl that you want to marry, you will know her.
Exactly, sir.
Yes, sir.
That's good. That's good. My son,
Sir,
you have really tread the right path.
thank you, sir.
I like that. It's good to see us the family before you choose the one that you want to marry.
Yeah,
And that's good of you. Sister Betty. Why not call her?
Oh, my great-in-law to you now. Welcome. Oh.
Thank you, madam.
Mama, your phone was ringing.
Hey, call your sister for me. Oh. Hello? Okay, I will call you back.
So,
Hey, call your sister for me. Oh.
Sir,
yes, my dear.
sir,
Yes, my dear.
Daddy,
Yes, my
well
dear.
done, sir.
Yeah.
Please, don't be offended.
No problem.
Who is that? Who is that? Who is she?
Oh, the one that just went in.
Yeah, the fair girl.
Oh, she's my cousin. Any problem?
Not at all. It's just that I have changed my mind.
That what?
I'm going.
Stop it!
Oh, no.
Stop it! Hey!
Sister Betty.
Hey, Chimo said no. Oh, yeah. Leave my house.
Calm down.
Leave my house. Leave my house.
That is the
The time where I see you. I tell you, see you be back. Oh, leave my house.
No.
Leave my house. Leave my house. Leave my house. Leave my house. I'm gonna break this one. Leave my house. Where can they go? Where do they go? How can they go? How can they push up? How can they go? How can they go? How can they go?
Sister Betty, is there anything wrong with your head?
Stop it!
What is it?
Stop it!
The boy
I
has
said
to
it!
choose anyone he wants to marry.
Okay, you're leaving. Okay, you come back for here.
Come on.
will not have him. You will not have him.
No, come on. Stop crying. No, one thing I don't know. I don't know if it's a bad thing for me to bring my late sister's daughter into my home, to my house, to come and destroy my household. See what I have done with my hands. Stop crying. Stop crying.
Mommy, tell her to go. Tell her to leave. I don't want to see her here again. She's a prostitute. Tell her to go.
You will not go anywhere. No, don't tell her to go. She will not leave this house. No.
Mama, what boy is where?
Are you out of your mind? Are you stupid? Clap for yourself. You've succeeded in taking your sister's husband to yourself. Clap. Clap for yourself now. You should be happy now that the man that wants to marry your sister is now going after you. Clap.
Mama, I don't understand. What have I done?
You are mad. How will you understand? I don't know how you are going to do it. I don't care. All I want is my husband. I want my husband back.
You slapped me.
Nonsense.
What am I not to you?
Look at you, but now why will you slap her?
And I will do more. You should be happy. You should be happy. If you did not bring her husband back, I will kill you with my bare hands. It's yours. I will kill you with my hands.
What have I done to you? What have I done? You took everything. You took them away from me. Life, oh life.
My head.
What is it?
Peter, I don't like what you did the last time. You said you come to my house and give me the money.
Is that why you are angry? I'm so sorry. I have the money right away in my pocket. Eh? Can we do it again? So that I will pay you in double.
Are you sure?
Yeah, I'm sure.
I don't want what happened the last time to repeat itself again.
Why are you saying such a thing? Please do it here in this occupied building.
Peter, you are not trying at all. Why not take me to your house?
Is it no? You want people to notice? Let's do it here sharp. You know I love you so much. Yes, no. You know it.
Okay, let's do it.
Thank you.
I hope you enjoyed it.
Of course, I'll sweet.
My money. Are you joking or something? What is this?
Money, of course.
Oh, you are joking, right? The last time you slept with me, you are owing me 3,000 naira. Today, 3,000 naira. Altogether, 6,000 naira. Then you are giving me 500 naira. Are you okay? Are you mad?
Babe, you just insulted me.
Come, shut up.
Did you not enjoy it?
Enjoy what?
This is what I have for now.
You are joking.
I will give you the balance later.
Okay? My money. Are you okay?
You just gave my shirt.
Are you mad? I said my money. Give me my money right. You are giving me the money right now. Right now and here. Give my money. Shut up. Let people hear. In short, let your village hear. My money.
Leave my shirt.
They eat my money, oh. Hey, your father will be happy for help now. Say, my wife is trying.
Money. There's the money now.
What they feed you?
Hey, it's food now. Measure money.
What about the food?
Mama!
Juliet, what's your problem? Why are you shouting my name?
Mama, please let me to ask Mama if she took my money from my bag.
Hey! If you dare call me by my name again, I will deal with you. Are you mad?
But you're the only one that have access to our room. We share the same room.
I'm not a thief.
So, Juliet, you are not calling my daughter a thief and a liar, right?
No, Mama. I just wanted to confirm.
By the way, where did you get that money from? Because I can't remember the day I gave you money last. Or have you started doing prostitution?
No, Mama, I worked.
You worked. Who gave you the money?
Mama, I work helping people to fetch water and they do pay me.
You work? So you are now a prostitute. You started doing prostitution.
No,
Juliet.
Mama.
No, Mama.
Liar! Liar! You're a big liar. Mama, don't mind her. She do prostitution. And my friend told me she caught her many times.
Juliet. So you are not a prostitute. Eh?
No, Mama.
You are not a prostitute. No problem. Do we have problem with that? No, we don't have problem with that. Since you have decided to sell yourself, as from today, you will be the one feeding everybody in this house. The day we lack food in this house, that very day, you will leave this house.
Mama! How do you expect me to get money to feed everyone in this house?
It is not my business. Since you decide to sell yourself, continue. All I know is that you should give me money. Lift it up.
Took them away from me. Lie, oh lie. You turned my happiness into sadness. You turned my joy into pain. Turn my memories into nightmares.
Are you not buying today? Ma, will you buy pizza? No. This is my customer. Mommy, you buy pizza today? Yes, ma.
What have I done? You took everything.
Thank you, ma.
Where are Mama?
Mommy, I have lost my mother.
You lost your mother? You don't born?
Yes, ma.
Okay, how can they take care of your children now?
Mommy, I only have one son.
God is your strength.
Thank you, ma. If I let come back, I'll call them.
You took everything. You took them away from me. Lie,
oh, I'm hungry. I don't know what is this guy still doing. I'm hungry. Will you shut up there? Are you not supposed to go to the market with her?
But I'm hungry.
Shut up. Slap you then.
Quiet then.
Thank God she's coming.
Yes, welcome. Thank you.
Hey, come back here. Where is the money? Where is the money? going now. How much is this?
Mama, it's 370. Market was so hard for me today.
Mama, this girl is lying. I don't trust her. Let's search this girl.
Mama, what is wrong with you? Am I your mate?
So you are not insulting my daughter? Eh?
Mama, I did not insult her. I'm just reminding her that I'm not her mate.
You are trying to remind her that I'm not her mate. Eh? You are trying to remind her.
Money for now, she just
Will you let her go and sit down? I'll beat you.
Mama, please.
Search her, search her. Search her.
Mama, she just moved out of
Search her. Search her. Hey!
Mama, I told you she's like money. I told you.
So you had the bigger one and brought the smaller one out. Juliet, you said I had the money from... By the way, how did you know that she was hiding money?
Mama. I'm not your daughter again. You taught me all this now.
That is my daughter. You. No food for you in this house.
Not fair.
Shut up. Go into this house.
Ma, this is not fair. Don't mind. Mama, this is not fair. This is not fair.
You are such a nice man.
I'll say that again. You're so sweet.
Thank you. You're such a nice man. Mama, what are you doing here? And who are you to ask me such questions? Nonsense. Look at it. Maybe.
My beloved brother. You are surprising me. Oh. You came to my house, you refused taking anything. Not even a glass of water. I hope all is well. Eh?
Betty, all is not well.
What is the problem now?
All is not well at all. This is no time to dine or wine at all. People are talking. I've heard and I've made my investigation. Betty, why must you send Juliet out to go and sell pure water? As if that is not enough. She do wash clothes for people to feed the family. Why? Why are you doing that to Juliet?
Hey, stop shouting at me! Stop shouting at me! Becky, if you know that I'm not taking good care of her, you better come and take her to that your useless and stupid wife!
Betty, you called my wife stupid.
Is what she is.
Oh. Well, the issue of my wife is not why I'm here today. But I've come to warn you to change your attitude towards Juliet. Yes. You see the other side of me. I've come to warn you, Betty.
Look at him. Foolish and useless man. The reason why I'm still keeping is because of my daughter's marriage. If not, I would have long killed you. Pot-belly man. Useless man.
My dear, my visit to my late sister's house today is more or less horror. It's not okay by me at all with what I saw. Juliet is not living well. In fact, the death of her mother is really telling on her. She's not in good condition at all. Her condition is not okay. Well, in all, my dear, I want to appreciate you.
Just.
Please allow me to Juliet in to stay with us here.
Yes, Daddy, be happy. Daddy, yes. I would like.
Come and sit down there. Come and sit down there. Which house you dey bring them come?
To my house, of course.
Your house. You will go marry another woman when you won't carry the go meet. Not be here. When your sister dey alive, he like me. Now you know say your mama dirty. They telling on him. Mama tell him. Not good. Not be this house.
So none of my relation can visit me.
Lie.
None of the children can stay with me.
I said no.
Because you are my wife.
Yes. Go marry another woman for outside.
What wrong have I done marrying you, woman?
Go marry another woman for outside. Then you carry that girl go there. Not here they come.
Mommy, please now.
I'm not to come this way. I know. This has been the problem I have with you.
Yeah? Then the problem continue.
I know that having you alone as my wife is problem. I know what to do.
Plan for yourself. Oh, yeah,
I know what to do.
go marry for another place. Make you go carry the girl go. Not be here. You know they call you.
Mommy, you don't know what you are doing. Let her come now. Let her come. Mommy, think that you hate them so much.
See, this guy when I tell they look tough now. So if I descend on you,
Mama, this thing is stupid.
maybe I tell you.
Thank you very much, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you for accepting me, sir. Sir, I believe you know the reason why I'm here.
What do you say is that your name again?
Yes, sir. My name is Smart.
Good. You are indeed smart.
Yes, sir.
For taking the right step.
Yes, sir.
My dear, this is the mother of the girl that you want to marry.
Oh, no problem, sir.
Let me say her to call the girl so that you will tell us if you really want to marry her. Stability. Yeah, welcome.
One, please come on. Your suitor is here.
How are you?
Hi, how are you doing?
Fine.
So, is it the girl you said you want to marry? Yeah, what am I doing? How are you? All right. Boy, are you here?
Smarty!
Hello, Smart. Are you here?
Yes, sir. I'm here, sir.
Any problem?
No problem, sir. But sir, who is she?
Oh, now she's my daughter. Any problem?
Sir, not that there's a problem, but you see, I think I left that one. I think I've changed my mind.
I can't understand. What about the one you just said you want to marry?
Sir, I don't need that anymore. I think I leave that one. But I think
Hey! Smart, you should leave my house. Smart, leave my house. Leave my house, Smart. Leave my house.
You came for me.
No one actually came for her. But Mama, what's going on?
Mama, live here. Live here.
What's going on?
If you ever step your feet in this place again, I will cut off your head.
Mama, not again.
Don't worry. I don't understand you.
Mama, you called me.
Come, what's your problem? 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 Come, let me ask you one question. How did you know that young man? How did you know that young man?
I don't know any young man. I don't know anybody.
Mama, this girl is a witch. Any man that comes to marry me, when they see her, they will leave me for her.
Why? It's a lock, man. Is it not a lock?
Shut up.
I don't even know what you are talking about, Mama. Mama, please don't beat me again.
I should not beat you again. I should not beat you again. I should not beat you again. I should not beat you again. I told you I was going to kill you in my house.
Mona, we see a good man now.
I want to die.
Lie, what have I done them away from me. Life, oh life.
Mama, the mama. This one where you carry me come up from now, you carry me come Wakama here. See me, I can't wait for you for happy here. We see everywhere clear.
Area they always declare that one small favor from you.
How many of you they come? Which kind of favor be that one?
Now let me they will come before. No my little sister daughter where they stay with me.
That's fake girl when.
I want to know now. So don't do finish throw the body for good.
Mama, Wakama no be wahala o. But the only color when go dey there na your be that bar.
But the rabbi, that one not the problem. They can need clean job. Clean job.
Ama, you know, say me dragon, I know they talk with you, I know sabi do. All those one not the problem for you and the rabbi matter.
May you use this one whole body first.
Mama, the mama.
Once you don't finish the job, I will bring the balance.
See, Ama, you don't get shaky. 2 seconds. Oh, hear the smell. One thing what you need to do for me, make sure say you send now SMS when go make can waka pass my mama.
No
See,
wahala.
Mama, you know perceive the other.
No wahala.
Let me tell you.
I trust you.
Baba, this don't really boss, come with her. I just believe I'm saying.
Oh, God, tie this thing.
No, they try to explain something to you now.
Let's see if they call the pastor. Let's see more.
Alpha, man.
Yeah, chance. Oh, Baba, the international. Babe.
When I give her a chance,
Alpha now, man.
Boss.
I deal with you. I deal with you, boss.
Again.
I deal with you, boss.
See,
Again.
now, me tell you, you get job tonight.
Job.
Yes. I want that machine if you do that, man. Oh, yeah, long. I want me, you know.
No shaking at all. I go oil and wear. But which business with that one, boss?
That mama now, he say me, that mama want now. He say me go buy. Hey, daughter, you let so I'm going to move her for ground. That is baby sis.
What dragon?
What's up, I
don't understand. Which of the Juliet you talk about? No be that Juliet. That younger sister picking.
Nah, she no.
No, that na F work.
I don't understand you. What did they talk now?
What did they worry you? If you still catch the babe, not be me, you want me. So if we still catch her before we bam, so you supposed to say we go me.
That one join. That one join.
Get roll,
What dragon?
Boss, you dey lose guard.
Baba, you dey game. Shoot. We'll give you 10 packets of chance. Don't be lie. Don't be you.
I say believe magic.
Come on.
See,
oh yeah, there. Get sense.
That machine. No,
I say you don't get shaky, boss.
Good. Mona enjoy.
Jamo. Get roll.
Chance for that.
See.
Tonight, that's all. No, your body.
Easy. Your body to the what?
I want to mash that big. Ain't go believe.
I'm fine. You say you want marry. I'm going to go clean this place. So what's up now? This one I tried reaching you yesterday, but you know I was not connecting.
My brother, you won't understand yesterday. I was very exhausted yesterday.
So what's up now? What happened?
Man, there is this package I carried yesterday now. If you see the bunny, see the babe.
Oh, you and these babes of a team. Well, I don't get it.
Man, let me just see the full story. Oh, the girl, if you see her in down, you get me? She's just too good. You understand? I don't want to go into details about it, she's just too good.
Well, you know, this one, you and this issue of babes, you have to really work on it. And meanwhile, this engineer, I've still not heard from him till now.
So what was he saying? Have you tried giving him a call, whether he has forgotten?
I've not done that.
Yeah, try to put a call to him.
Maybe they call across to him. Yeah, hello. Engineer. Yeah, how are you? Why now? Well, you promised me today. Next tomorrow. I should wait till next tomorrow again. Alright, no problem. I just hope you don't disappoint me this time. Alright, no problem. Thank you.
Some of what he's engineering, they are just extremely stupid. What is he saying? Just imagine what he's telling me, like, I should wait till next tomorrow. You mean just that? That's what he said. Why? No tangible reason. Well, let's just try and see what happens. I just hope he doesn't disappoint me this time. But meanwhile, you have to be careful, like I tell you before. Sure, I will. Man, this drink is very, very good.
Juliet.
Mama.
You know that woman that used to sell garden egg at the entry end of the other street? That Osaon Street, what is the name of the street?
That woman?
Yes, Mama. Go there, buy me garden egg. Because first thing tomorrow morning, as early as 5 o'clock, I want to need to cook.
But Mama, it's dark already.
Okay, that I should not eat. Because I have somewhere going by 6 o'clock. I want to cook it before 6 o'clock. Be fast about it.
Okay, Mama.
Be fast, oh. Make sure you come on time, oh.
Okay, Mama.
Come on time, oh. Rest in peace.
Hey, hello. Come on now, I'll tell you. How you doing? How you doing? Wait for the call this time.
My mouth is open.
Go close to me. Come here, you come, man. Come here, don't worry. Hey. When I move. If I hear your voice,
You turn my happiness into nightmare. Life,
don't make me feel. No respect your friend. Respect yourself. You don't rush person like that, you know.
I am a daughter of
Jesus. What's up? What did happen for them? Where the girl? He don't move. Where the... Hola. Shit. What is up? To. Afana.
Why are we staying outside now? Let's go inside.
I'm waiting for Juliet. I sent her guy the egg since. Till now, I've not seen her.
Like this time, you still not got the egg. What is so people are for her?
It's her voice.
Mama.
That is Juliet's voice. Juliet. What is this?
What happened to you?
You were what? Anyway, where is the garden egg I asked you to buy for me?
Look at them. They block me on my way.
They what? They block you on your way. I said, come back and buy me my garden egg.
When you see that she was ripping, you asked her to go and buy you another garden. They're sorry, calling me to wash me up. All this is doing is not fair. Sorry.
Hey, come, Julia, where is my money? Mama, what? They took my money. Hey, double wahala for you.
So Dragon feel rude. These guys feel rude. Hey, I asked them to kill her, not to rape her. I must go collect my money back. I must go and collect. They must give me my money. She is really very cheap.
Alpha, talking Joe, you know they hear me. How magic body. Me, I did get to. But I will soon move come up for here. I will soon move come up for Kaba. So I'm here come meet you. How body they go now? I'll say improvement they will. I beg. I don't want more.
Hey! End that call!
I call you back.
End that call.
Mama, this one you the bastardize me get to like this. You don't say it clear.
Dragon, I send you message when you buy that girl. And I said when you go sleep with her. Oh, why you be say me una dey useless? We're gonna be the same. Why?
Metete. See, Mama, don't be saying we don't know our work, but no worry. Next time when we go carry that your money when they phone smart so you not go escape her again. Let me tell you. If we say matter say my boy don't even sustain injury, ask me how you dey talk so. He dey hospital. He dey take treatment. That if I come up for here now, I want mad SSS. Mama, no worry. That your small so I go meet him.
You dey hear yourself talk. They hear yourself if they talk. If you catch them again, not go escape. You dey hear yourself. Anyway, that will not be the reason why I come. Oh. The reason why I come is say, may you give me my money. Dragon, give me my money.
See, Mama, see. I know they cry, I know me say, I know they shed tears. Oh. See, as I dey here, so see, no point. Which money? Hey, Mama, if as I dey see you so, it be like your visa don't expire. Can't they go? Your visa don't expire.
You say what? Dragon, talk am again. You say what? Make I come they go. No worry, I go. If I call you not give my money, next time when I call you not give my money, I'll put her for your body. What? Come
on, yeah. You said that. Oh, make they use me to see your back.
May I come out? You go hear from me. You go hear from me. You are not saying you're the Betty. Now you jam. You go hear from me.
Yeah? See how it be. See this woman. See, I go tell you say, tomorrow pikin when your mama they say akara, no they start fair. And pikin when your mama they say egg, no they start fair. See, I avoid sorry that what you did.
What is the wrong for you?
Mama, I don't ballet for you.
I said it happen. Who be that woman we pass just now?
Mama, you know the woman. I know sabi the woman.
The woman wey if I say face look like sample for this cabbage.
Yes, no. The face na sample for this man.
What's it go on? You know your voice.
That even be the matter so. He just give us more pekere job won't be saying no every rich boy take very charge car. You come here now. Auto say the way the matter take PlayStation yesterday.
Shut up.
Yeah.
Where the money?
Mama, the money. Boys don't use that one as see front.
I say where the money?
The money not reach anything. We don't use that one as see front.
You want that? Now they worry you. You want that?
No, Mama.
You don't want that?
Mama,
you want that? Mama. You don't want that? Go down!
Mama.
Go down! Mama. Go down! The next time you try this kind of thing, the next time, you go to a path for grave.
No, be like Mama.
You go to a path for grave. And they worry you. My money for my cabbage.
Mama, go. Mama, not vessel.
They there.
Okay, Mama.
I won't kill you.
I ever lawyer, Mama.
Shut up!
Okay, Mama.
And they come back.
Shit. Which kind small shit we call a stay can be this one? This woman want you draw my leg come out for this smoke make job. Let me say that woman go down there. Shit. You want me Jago? Let that for ground. You want me Jago? Shit. Hey. For this cover, the woman go collect auto.
no person tell here. Customer.
Senior.
How you been now?
I do.
Why you delay today now?
No best, no be my fault. You know say I go sell around now. No best.
My God, we know my God not get wife again. And it's 3 days, another shop. Another shop.
No best. I be your favorite.
I trust you. See chicken.
Customer.
How you go tell my kitchen here?
I better take your food. Enough, help me.
What?
Are you out of your mind, Samson?
Wait.
Can you imagine?
Madam, I can't me not call this compound again. I don't know what they found for you. What happened?
Well, I'm here to see my husband. Because I'm pregnant for him.
Hey! Hey! But dress, I need to go inform her before I'll give you permission to come.
Please don't stress a pregnant woman, please.
Because I make you be better. Okay!
What's the issue?
Madam, they outside. I don't know what you carry come. Later. Bye. Permission granted.
You Faith, what are you doing in my house?
I'm at my husband's house. Can't I pay my husband a gift?
Are you mad? Who's your husband? I can't remember getting married to you.
You are my husband. Because I'm carrying your one child. Yes, touch it. Okay, don't want. I'm coming. Let me come out. You come.
Now,
You're going to be fast.
listen very. Stop it! Take that bastard you call the child out of my house. The next time I see you here again, you won't believe my actions. Something!
Oga!
What are you doing outside?
Oga, be the bad food though.
Babe, see, now food I know some people cannot keep it.
Please take her out and lock my gate.
Don't touch me. No, baby, I'm pregnant, please.
Come on. That's why you cook last 2 months. I go wake up for cemetery for food where you cook. Oga.
Samson.
I bet my food.
Samson. Yes, sir. Always lock these gates, please.
That's nice.
Juliet, why are you vomiting? Are you okay?
Juliet has killed me.
Mama, what?
Juliet has killed me.
What happened?
Juliet! Mama. Juliet, so you are pregnant.
What? No, Mama.
Hey! Hey! Juliet has killed me. So all this time you'll be going to the market, you'll be sleeping around, going from one man to the other.
No, Mama. I can't be pregnant.
Juliet,
Mama.
who is responsible for your pregnancy?
Mama, I said it. I told you, she's a prostitute.
This is an evidence.
Mama.
Who is responsible for your pregnancy? Who is responsible for your pregnancy? Who is responsible? Who is responsible? Juliet. So you are pregnant?
No, Mama.
Hey.
And she's still denying it.
I am lying now. No, I am lying. No, Mama. Juliet, I am lying. Pregnancy is bleeding all over you.
Talk.
You will sleep outside. You will sleep here. You will sleep out. You are ready to tell me who is responsible. Mama. You will be here.
Mama, please. I'm not pregnant. Not again. Not again. I'm tired. I'm tired. I'm tired. What kind of life is this? Mama, please. I'm not pregnant. Please, please.
Desmond, I will not blame that engineer. That man wasted our time and everything. But if I get hold of him...
Brother, calm down. Like I said, I understand how you feel. So what's the next option we're going to do? Are we going to look for a new engineer or what?
But the thing now is, I need an engineer before the week runs out.
Okay.
I don't have time.
Okay. So we're talking about time here now to execute this contract?
Yes.
So what we're going to do is that we're going to look for a new engineer that is going to give us what we want. You get me?
Okay.
You get my point? So what happened the other time? You remember? So it won't repeat itself again. You get me? Like I said, calm yourself down. Let's look for a new engineer that is going to give us what we want. Since there is huge amount of money involved in this. You get me?
Let's just forget about this whole issue before I start thinking of something else. But meanwhile, I'm sorry I didn't offer you anything.
Oh, you're talking about a drink or something. Forget about it. We're talking about money and talking about drink.
Thanks for your understanding. Thanks for your understanding.
Understand you.
I appreciate it.
Here you are.
Juliet.
Mama.
After feeding your bastard son, make sure you wash my clothes.
Mama, please stop. Stop calling my son a bastard.
Hey. Is he not a bastard? Tell me, who is the father? Anyway, as I said earlier, after feeding your bastard, make sure you wash my clothes.
Like, so you are not a bastard. You hear me? You are everything to me. You are everything to me.
You have given me one. You have given me. One you have given me. One you be sleeping around. You never told me that you are a prostitute. Now you've contracted HIV.
Mama, do you want to kill me?
One you've contracted HIV. Come.
This is my fault. Mama, leave me now.
Mama. Mama. Go home. It's me and you today.
You want to kill me?
It's me and you today.
My guy.
Yes, more. What's up now?
Honestly, I'm just heading somewhere. I just parked my car somewhere. I just said let me come and check you. How far? My guy, I've seen a good engineer. Seriously.
You don't mean it?
I've seen a good engineer, honestly. I even know his place. Yeah, I'll take it there now so that in case maybe he wants to run with your money. So you can know how I can track him. I told you, I got you.
Thank you.
I got you.
I owe you one.
Honestly, you owe me one.
But let's go inside.
So, you know what you give me?
Nah, sure, I know.
Understand?
I know. Problem.
You will be crying. What is it?
I asked you to fetch water in the house and you are here asking me questions. What's your problem?
I'm sorry, Mama. I will do just that as soon as possible.
You see?
I've been doing prostitution in my house. I'm a prostitute.
Hey, Mama, you caused all this. Ever since you have been seeing me with boys hanging around, you never advised me to stop. All you ask for is money, money, money. Mama, if I have to die, so be it.
My investment. My investment. Hey.
Hello. How are you? Lady, please, where is Cheesy Street?
Cheesy Street?
Yeah.
Okay. You take this straight, then the first one by your left.
Oh, please, excuse us now. Hello? Excuse us now. Please.
The thing is that my aunt sent me on an errand.
But if you don't mind, let me help you with your
No,
bag.
no,
let him
thank
assist
you.
you now. Let me help you. Thank you.
Please, let's hurry up.
So what's your name?
My name is Juliet.
Juliet. Are you still around this village? Thank you so much for everything. If not for you, I would have lost millions of naira.
It's okay. That's nothing. I left my son outside. I need to go.
Please stop now. But wait, Juliet. You have a son?
Yes.
I can't remember you telling me you were married.
It's a long story. You won't understand.
But wait, please let me walk you home.
No, they will kill me.
Nobody will kill you. Let me walk you home, please.
Oh, okay, let's go. Don't worry.
So you mean all this happened to you?
Yes.
Juliet, can I ask you for something, please?
What could that be?
Juliet, ever since I set my eyes on you, I fell in love with you. I love you so much. Will you marry me? Please.
Yes, I will. And I love you too,
Thank you.
Thank
you. Thank you. But what, my crying soul?
My son, will you take care of my son?
I'll take care of him. Is he calling my son?
Why do you always like calling me crying soul?
Call you my crying soul because whenever you talk to me and you start crying, it melts my heart.
Thank you.
I love you so much.
Love you too.
And you have to get your things tomorrow. I will need to come and see your parents. So you do the needful. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Juliet.
Mama.
Who are you arranging your clothes? Where are you going to?
Mama, I'm traveling.
Hey! Traveling to where?
Mama, I don't know. I want to leave your house.
You don't know. You want to leave my house. Leave my house to where? Hey! Mama! Oh!
Mama!
Come fast!
Where is she parking and where is she going to?
She said she's traveling or she wants to leave my house.
So where now?
I don't know for her.
Joker. You are not going.
Drop the glass!
You are not going.
Mama, allow me to help.
Mama. Stand up.
Mama, leave me alone. Mama, what? Mama, please. Mama, what to leave? Mama, please leave me alone.
I don't feel you.
Shut up!
shut up. Shut up.
What have I done? You took them away from me.
If that your death we can move out, come on.
You turn my happiness into sadness. You turn my joy into pain. You turn my memories into nightmares. Life, oh life. I am a daughter of my mother. Life, what have I done? You took everything, you took them away from me. Life, oh life.
Please, I'm Andrew by name, and I'm looking for a lady called Juliet. Yes, Juliet.
Juliet.
Yes.
She traveled last night. She's no longer staying.
But we spoke yesterday.
I said she's no longer here, or am I lying? This is my daughter, one by me. Don't you like her?
How do you mean?
What have I done? You took everything, you took them away from me. Life, oh what have I done to you? What have I done? You took everything, you took them away from me. Life, oh life.
Where's my baby?
Sorry.
Don't look at me like that. Do not look at me like that.
So, son, that was how I met my husband.
So, Mom, you are trying to tell me that Dad is not my biological father?
Yes. But I have to tell you the truth. Because you've grown up.
Even if Dad is not my biological father, but I know that he's my one and only father.
That's my son.
You're also my one and only son, and I love you so much.
Thank you, Dad.
Come here.
them away from me. Life, oh life. You turn my happiness into sadness. You turn my joy into pain. You turn